did a rear airflow kit installed on a 2016 NV. Oh man, it's cold in here. Nice cold air. Clean the rear evaporator. I had to do it 3 times. It was so bad. Loosen up that airflow. It's cold in the front. Front vents, which really don't mean nothing because the front air takes care of that. But we got the middle and the rear. That is very important because you can't roll down the windows in this van. So if it's hot, you're choking. That's it. Middle vents, nice and cold. Rear, nice and cold and strong airflow. I think they're gonna be happy. It's like a camper type van they have. Put a floor in it and stuff. But, well, it's all done. There you go. Flash rear airflow kit. You can purchase it at rearairflowkit.com. I have installation videos. I install airflow kits locally. Sometimes people come down here on vacation, and then I do it. It takes about, getting faster. It takes me about, takes us about 3 hours to do it. There's no unforeseen problems. If the rear evaporator has to be cleaned a lot, 3 times, it's going to take a little longer, but usually I get it done. When I'm soaking the rear evaporator, what I do is I install the roof reflectors. So, and I already have everything cut out from the night before, so it's faster. So, okay. Install those kits, man. This heat is no joke. It's just getting into it. We're in May. That sun never quits, especially in Florida. I can't stand it. It's just hot and humid. Humidity really takes a toll on air conditioners. Out west, it's hot. But the ACs don't struggle like they do here in the south and where it's, with its high humidity, It really gives an air conditioning unit a challenge with high humidity. Okay, have a good day.